YouTubers, shortwave listeners, ham radio operators, ladies and gentlemen, friends and followers, or people who just accidentally took the wrong exit of the interstate and got stuck by my channel. YFUG up on the northeastern hills on a stormy Thursday evening, April 7, I believe. Local time is 2025, 2030. That means 1825 UTC time, because now we are 2 hours ahead local time from UTC time, because you know, daytime savings. Summertime we setting the clocks 1 hour ahead, about 2 weekends back. So yeah, YFUG, hurry up, get the mast up. Strong winds. Wish me luck, folks. See you later on.